Today we're going to be talking about how to add and edit products. When you get into your dashboard, you're going to go to Products and then All Products. And here's where all the products that we have are. If I get into one of these products, you can see that you can just go down like you would in any WordPress page. You give the product a name, you give it a description, you give it a long description here, a more detailed description, and then down where it says product short description, you can give it a shorter description. If we go to an actual product page, the short description shows up here. Your title, of course, what the product is called, shows up here. Short description shows up here, and your longer full description shows up down below. So as we walk down the page, back in your editor, you give it a name, give it a long description, and then we just march down the page. Here, you're going to choose what kind of a product it is. For the most part, simple product will cover most things that you're going to want to do. If it's a virtual product, in other words, one that is not going to be shipped to the client, you would check this. If it's a downloadable product, such as an audio, PDF file, or something like that, you click here. As soon as I click on that, it gives me this section here where I can add that file that's to be downloaded. So how to add it is I go to this add file here, give it a name in this section, and then choose your file. Click on choose file. You can either choose it from the media library if you have a PDF file or audio file uploaded here, or you could go to upload files, select files, and then go to a place on your computer where that file is. Click on open. I'm not going to actually do it, so I'll just click on cancel. But if you were going to do it, you click on open, then click on insert file, and excuse me, that would upload your file for the person to be able to download if it's a downloadable product. For your price, you just put in the price. You don't put in a $sign or anything like that. You just put in your price. If it has change on it, you put in $145 or whatever plus your amount of change, and that's what you do for that. If there's a sale price for it, you put in the sale price right here. And if we keep on marching down the page, we already covered your short description here. And if the product has a picture, and hopefully you're always going to have a picture of your product, that really adds a lot to it, you're going to click on this part here. Right now we already have a picture in here, but if I wanted to add one, I'll just remove this so you can see what it would look like without any picture in there. It would be right here, and it would say set image, product image. So you just click on that, and again you have a choice of either uploading files from your computer or uploading them from the media library. And we'll just choose one of these here. We'll choose this picture here, and we'll select that for your product image. If you want to add multiple products, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the product gallery, click on product gallery, and if you want to add a number of them, if you want to add one, you would just click on the one. If you want to add a number of them, you would hold Control on your keyboard and click on the different ones that you want to add, and you'll notice that each one you want to add adds a check mark to the picture. Let go of the Control key on your keyboard and click on Add to Gallery, and then you see a bunch of these will be added to the gallery on that product. If you want to delete any of these, first of all, let's see how these look. If we add a gallery to your product, we're going to update this. And we're going to go back to the actual site. We're going to go to the Pro Shop, and we're going to click on Golf Lessons because that's what we're doing. You see the one picture that we have is right here. That's the featured product, but then you also see that you have your gallery down below. So if I click on any of these, that's going to show that picture, any picture from your gallery. You will be able to see. You'll be able to see that picture in the large picture area. So we'll go back to your dashboard. So that's how you add multiple product pictures to your product page. If you want to get rid of any of them, just hover over the picture here and click on the X, and that will delete. And again, before any of these that become live, you'll just click on Update. And that's how you, and of course, to add a new product, you would just go to either Add New under Products here, or if you're on a product page already, you can just click on Add New up here, and then you go through the same thing that we just did here. And of course, click on Update over here to make your changes live.